Gordon Ramsay's daughter Holly has given her followers a sneak peek inside the family's huge mansion in London. The foul-mouthed telly chef regularly shares clips from inside his 3 family homes, including his £4.4 million country pad in Cornwall. But this time, it's his second daughter Holly that's showing off the glitz and glamour inside the Wandsworth house. Showing off to her 232,000 plus followers on TikTok, Holly took part in the popular Get Ready With Me trend from inside her bedroom in the mansion. A huge double bed is the main focus of the room, complete with white sheets and a grey quilted headboard. The video shows Holly's beautiful white walls, wooden beams and a brown textured carpet, with a flashy clothes rail, which Holly ends up using in the clip. She even referenced her celebrity dad in the video, which has been viewed almost 1 million times already. Holly started off the video by telling fans, "My parents are going to dinner on a date night and obviously I'm crashing it. Get ready with me." "My dad literally just shouted, 'Halls, are you ready to leave in 5? And I was like, yeah." "She is not ready. Let's get dressed." Holly lives in the London home with her dad, mum Tana and her 4 siblings, elder sister Megan, 23, twin brother Jack, 22, Strictly star Tilly, 20 and little brother Oscar, 2. Oscar even pops his head into Holly's video at the end. Holly was one of the many celebrity guests watching Victoria and David Beckham's firstborn Brooklyn become a married man earlier this month. The entire Ramsay clan touched down in Florida to witness the wedding with Nicola Peltz. Holly even had time to share a snap of herself alongside her sisters, Megan and former Strictly star Tilly, mother Tana, 47, and of course, TV chef dad Gordon.